What's up guys, Lord Hezion here, back with another video. Hope you're doing great. New month means a new fresh up video. I'm not going to dally any further, let's jump straight into it. First up on this list is Ariel. Ariel is this month's live wallpaper app. It's a collection of various assorted live wallpapers with categories ranging all the way from sky, water, nature, atmosphere, landscape, city views, and my personal favorite, infinity loops. Find a wallpaper that you like, and setting it up is pretty easy. Just hit apply wallpaper, set as home screen or lock screen, and you're done. In the settings, you can also increase or decrease motion speed of the wallpapers if you choose. Next, we have Jotter. Now, this is an app that takes note-taking to the next level. It arranges your notes according to the specific dates, and you're able to categorize your notes depending on specific user-defined topics. It allows you to build checklists within the notes and provides you with a complete editor preview for your notes. So you can check stuff like the word count, lines, comments, among other things. You also get a really usable suite of editing tools for your notes, and you can upload and sync your notes to Google Drive, Dropbox, OneDrive, or Jotter servers, so you never lose your notes. You also get a dark mode and password or fingerprint protection thrown in there. The next up on the list is Panels. I know I've covered a couple of similar apps, but so far this one beats the bunch. The non-pro version has so many features and settings, it beats the need to pay for the pro version. Basically, just add the apps, shortcuts, settings, websites, or contacts you visit the most and need easily accessible. You get your app drawer on the second swipe, which allows you to scroll and launch apps from the shelf. Setting up of the shelf is pretty easy and straightforward. You get a ton of customization options for the icons, the rows, the panel colors, and the trigger. You can also use your own icon packs if you want. The only gripe I have with the app is accidental triggers that launch the panel when you're just swiping around, and that can be really frustrating. If you can see past that, link to panels in the description below. Next up is Exodus. This is an app that allows you to see which permissions and trackers the apps on your phone are using. We live in a world where someone can virtually download you, and knowing which permissions are being used by the apps on your phone can really go a long way. First, launch the app and let it load all the apps on your phone. After that, you can see the apps, the permission, the trackers, and the risk levels. No risk equals green, medium risk equals orange, high risk equals red. This helps you remove the potentially risky apps from your phone. I don't know about you, but I don't see why a gallery app can need a whole 51 permissions and 20 trackers, and that app just has to go. You also get further insights into each individual permissions the app asks for. It takes this further by showing you which risky permissions and trackers are granted in majority of the apps, and it's a lifesaver for privacy and security. We all know that Instagram only allows you to have one link in your bio. That in itself might be a shortcoming, especially if you want to link a couple of your other sites to your Instagram. Enter Instabio. You start out by selecting a template for your links. Now, most of them are premium templates, but the free one works just as well. Next, just customize the template with your links and add some button animations and colors to each link. You can reorder the order of the sites, and happy with what you've customized, just copy the template link and post it on your Instagram bio. Now, when people tap on the link that's in your bio, they get to see the template and can visit all the sites you've linked in the template. We're halfway through the video, and if you're enjoying these apps, please take a second to subscribe to the channel and turn on notifications. While at it, please like the video, it helps the channel a lot. Thanks. Now, at this point, we've seen the new iOS 14 updates, specifically the iPhone feature that pops up a light to show you when your microphone or camera is being used. Enter Android's version of that, access dots. Just enable it and give it the necessary permissions, and every time the camera or microphone on your phone is active, you see a blinking light on your screen. The app or the dot is never in the way, so you don't have to worry about persistent and dismissible notifications, and it also allows you to change the color and positioning of the LED. I only wish the developer included a feature that takes advantage of phones with a notification light built into the hardware instead of software. And yeah, you can change the color of the LED if you wanted to. This next app takes us back to the roots, back to the Windows Phone with the tiles, homepage, and layout. First, it brings you the scrollable home screen wallpaper on all pages and the tiles that make up the launcher. It takes that further by allowing you to divide the homepage into various segments of your choosing. You can also add live tiles, add cubes that have apps on each phase, add widgets to the home screen and animate them, even add shortcut tiles that do stuff like drop the shortcut panel, among other shortcuts you can think of. Basically, you get the full Windows Phone launcher experience, and it works really well, and the app is stable. I love how the app shows you the apps that have sent new notifications and how it organizes the apps you put in a folder or a new divide of your home screen. AccuWeather is the next app on this list. It's the normal AccuWeather, but it's been redesigned and given a more modern, cleaner, smarter look. And first thing first, I love the dark mode. You can toggle it down to dark, then light, and that gives you a good view of the settings in the app. The settings are pretty straightforward, just units, time format, wind direction, display mode, and notifications. I especially like how it gives you the important details first and abstracts everything else to when you need minute details. I'm also impressed with how it gives you an allergy outlook. This is particularly helpful for someone like me who has an allergy to dust and pollen. Tapping on the See More button in every section gives you access to more details and weather history, so you can compare today's forecasts to yesterday's. It also allows you to break down data to monthly and hourly stats. The only pain is the numerous ads served in the app. Pretty annoying. Second to last is Taskido. It's a to-do list app that takes every detail you might want in a reminders app to the next level. You can create entries as either task, notes, planner idea, or repeating reminder. On this note-taking aspect, it allows you to pin the note to the notification so you never forget it. You can convert it to task, move it to a planning board, make a copy of it, or even add it to the calendar and send it. The planning aspect allows you to plan for specific tasks you want to do, add a checklist, move to another project, and define idea priorities. Task settings are pretty straightforward too, but what sticks out is how it only shows you what needs to be done now or in the immediate future and at what priority. Those at low priority or far future tasks won't be displayed up until the time is close. I find this approach much better than being bombarded with all that you have to do all at once. It even takes that further by allowing you to group tasks in timeline mode or day mode. Final up on the list is Just Facts. You might have picked up from the name. It's just a Did You Know Facts app. It's a collection of various fun facts on different topics, further subdivided into various topics. Example, topic like sciences, further split into individual sciences like math and physics. To art, split further into anime, paintings, etc. You navigate the facts by swiping left and right, and the app takes this further by giving you facts that happen today in time. I've learned pretty interesting stuff from it, and overall, it's just a nice pastime app to have. Well, that's it for today, guys. If you're still here, thanks a lot for watching. If you're new, it'd be nice if you subscribe to the channel as we edge closer and closer to 2,000 subscribers. Like this video, it helps the channel a lot. It has the algorithm suggest this video to more and more people. Share this video with your friends, and let me see you in the next one.